Hello everyone, and welcome to this video demonstration where we will discuss auto rule documentation. The rule documentation page lists the default attributes that correspond to a rule or change documentation field in the database. Each attribute has a specific regex pattern. To document changes in your device administration tool, you will enter a regular expression followed by a value for that attribute in the comments column of a rule. When Security Manager retrieves the policy, the values that you entered for each attribute are also retrieved and associated with the corresponding policy and rule in Security Manager. This process is called auto documentation. This process takes rule comments and parses them through auto documentation. The matched fields are rule metadata that can be used in SQL searches later on using the P notation or the filter bricks. Auto documentation happens as a part of every revision. To view the list of configured rule documentation fields, on the Administration tab, click on System and Rule Documentation. From here, we have each one of the fields that you would see under a rules documentation. And in the Security Manager tab, underneath the rule documentation portion of a rule, you'll see the corresponding fields. Business justification, owner, business unit, requester, and these fields correspond to the different fields within the rule documentation. Next to each, you will see the match pattern to be used in the comments section of the rule on your device. You can also create a new one that might better suit your needs. Keep in mind that Security Manager does not validate a modified regex. Make sure any regex that you modify has a valid syntax. An invalid regex may cause configuration retrieval to fail. Now let's take a couple of these and add them to a rule in our lab firewall. We'll use the owner, business justification, and change control ones. We see we have our regex patterns in there. Now we'll push the policy. Okay, looks like we've received our change notification via syslog, and here's our blue toast with our retrieval. Now let's go over to Security Manager and have a look at our rule documentation. We'll scroll down to our rule, and here we go. We see the owner is John Smith, the business justification is needed for PeopleSoft, and here's our change control number. We can also see this if we click into the rule as well. The rule documentation fields are down here at the bottom. Thank you for watching this video, and for more information on this topic and others, please refer to the Administration and Security Manager guides located at usercenter.firemon.com.